Our responsibility as a biggest screen in a home, we have to provide the best experience to customers, right? And we are doing so worldwide from a longer time, more than a decade now. So earlier the hardware play was related to only picture quality, sound quality kind of thing, right? But when we started serving more to customer, people's expectation is more on hardware side. They want everything inbuilt in one. They don't want peripherals. Because TVs are getting bigger, more and more attraction for the central hall. So people want better and better experience. I'll give one analogy of a supermarket, right? Let's say if you go in a market and you find 40 odd restaurants of different kind of cuisines. People go and the searchability is, the easiness of access is very less. Yes? So there's too much confusion of finding content, where to go, what to have at that day, and daily you have to go on that supermarket. And then somebody comes with a complete buffet of multiple cuisine, and you go and choose what is best for you, and it provides you a personalized, recommended cuisine to you. This is what hardware, all the OEMs have started doing. And there was too much fragmentation in terms of platform going to the telcos or maybe cable DTH industry. Everybody has their own corners. SWOT players was related to their own specific content. Multiple distributions are happening across the apps. User has to go into multiple apps and multiple content. So we took that responsibility. We had to serve our customers in terms of better and better content consumption. We don't want to spend more and more times just searching the content. So we started building this OS and platform where we not only provide the best quality of the content as well as the best content recommendation, whatever they want, as per their choice. That's why the entire aggregation started. And this is playing a lot. So I was just discussing with Rajesh a couple of years ago. 5 or 10 years back, people were generally tend to spend around 10 to 15 minutes just searching for the content. Now this aggregation platforms are providing better discoverability, and now this time has reduced. So you are looking directly to your content, what you want. That is the ease of access, and this is all the Gen AI, new era will evolve that. Now this problem everybody is solving, even the telcos that you named, a few cable TV provider, everybody is solving that problem. Kudos to everyone. But the basic thing is you need a big screen and consumer wants all the experience in one. Again, we have seen some trends in our television, especially the cord cutters that you mentioned that. Around 30% people, they are not going into any peripheral connected to TV because they're getting everything, all the experiences in your TVs. So cord cutting is increasing. We have obligation to provide the entire experience. We can't say, okay, we can't provide linear channels, we can't provide YouTube content or whatever. So we have to provide all the aggregation content. That is one. Second, the benefit, the play where we play is not only the set-top box content as well as the OTTs. So it's a mixture of all, and we see the hardware consumption is more, and the peripheral consumption going down on all the attached devices. So we see this.